Your financial tip, calculating your retirement. First, how much do you have saved towards retirement? You start by adding up all your liquid investments. This includes any excess cash you may have on hand as well. We typically recommend having 6 months worth of spending set aside as cash for unexpected expenses or emergencies. Anything above 6 months of spending should be included in your liquid investment total allocated towards retirement. Next, figure out how much you plan to spend in retirement. I'd recommend starting with looking at how much it costs to maintain your current lifestyle. Now, statistically, most retirees spend the same or more in retirement as they did while they were working. Not sure how much you're currently spending? The easy way to look at spending is to think of your money always going to one of 3 places. You either save it, you pay it in taxes, or you spend it. Even if you don't think you spend it, then any surplus cash flow should show itself in your savings account balances. Next, you'll add up your income streams coming in during the course of retirement. Some common income streams include Social Security income, rental income, or pension income. Next, you'll calculate the difference between your income and spending. Now, any shortfalls are normal. That's why we save for retirement. Finally, divide that shortfall into your total liquid investment balance to determine the withdrawal needed on your portfolio. If the percentage is 4% or less, then you have roughly the amount needed to retire. Now, this doesn't include the effects of inflation. If your percentage is higher than 4%, then you need to look at what you can do to bring it down. You can either spend less, work longer, or take some other action to improve your retirement outlook.